Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 67 Chevelle. Now this car is an SS, it's numbers matching, we have the Protecto plate, the car is amazing guys. It's been rotisserie restored, it's got a slick paint job on it, it's got beautiful chrome, all the lines line up, all the stainless is looking sweet, all the trim's looking good. She is beautiful. And it's a 4-speed, guys. Man, she is gorgeous. Look at the way that hood lines up, just gorgeous. Look at the way the door lines up. That body line looks good, the door's lining up good. Vent window's been re-chromed, rubber looks good. The door lines up nice here. We've got that protector on the edge of the door there. The lips are nicely painted. You can see the latch was redone when it was out. We got good looking trim here. Door panels are looking sweet. Floor mats in there say Chevrolet on them. Steering wheel, steering column look good. The upholstery on the seats looks great. There's that 4-speed shifter in there. We got great looking upholstery on the back seat. Headliner's in great shape. All the trim in there is looking good. Dash pad. All the finishes on the dash are looking good. The lenses on the gauges are looking sweet. All the chrome on the steering wheel looking good. And there's that third pedal everybody's looking for. You look down that quarter panel, nice and straight. Body work on the car is phenomenal. The Super Sport looking good. All the chrome looking good back here. Chrome on the back bumper looking sweet. Inside the trunk, nice and clean in there. We got a spare tire in there. Looking sweet all over. Gutter system around here, all nicely painted. Bottom side of the deck lid, nicely painted. Lips on the deck lid, again, nice. Trim here looks good. Absolutely beautiful. When you look down the side of the car, straight as an arrow. Many, many hours of body work went into this car. Vinyl top on the car, definitely new, definitely looking sweet. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment at all. That means we own this Chevelle. Right now we have a little over 200 cars in stock and we own every one of those cars. So you can bet we spent the time to check the cars out before we buy them. When they get here to the shop, we inspect the cars so we can answer any questions you may have about the cars. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he will answer any questions you have about the cars. Now if you want some additional pictures of the car, if you want a close-up of that spot right there, just call Tom, he'll get that picture for you. Now I've got about 35 years in the business and I'm going to put those years to work for you, helping you pick out your dream car. All right, let's go for a ride in this 67 Chevelle. All right, you guys that watch the videos all the time probably remember whenever I get in one of these, I tell the story about old Bessie. When I was a kid, Dad had one of these. Of course, it didn't have a big block in it. It had a straight 6 in it. We used to drive that sucker back and forth to work. Dad called it old Bessie. We put a lot of miles on old Bessie, but again, dash was the same, hood was the same, whole 9 yards. Brings back a lot of memories for me driving old Bessie back and forth to work every day. Of course, it didn't have a 4-speed in it, didn't have a big block under the hood, didn't have those SS emblems. So this is a lot cooler than old Bessie. This thing is sweet, guys. Numbers matching, Protecto plate, 4-speed, beautiful restoration. And I tell you, this car was in beautiful shape when they started. Floorboards on the car looking beautiful, and listen to the sound. Man, nothing sounds like a great running big block Chevy. This thing's just got a great sound and rumble. And we can ship this car anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513, and Tom will explain to you how easy that process is. Also, if you need help with financing, no problem with financing either. We got about 3 different bankers we work with on financing. They will take care of all the paperwork for you. All you need to do is call Tom, and he will hook you up, and we'll get this dream parked in your driveway. You can see down here on the dash, everything's looking sweet. Looks like the gas gauge is working, the speedo's working. Now the clock is not working. It looks like it's got the stock radio in it. 4-speed feels nice and tight. Clutch feels good, brakes feel good. Power steering feels great. This blue interior really set off by that white exterior. And man, does that big block sound great. And you just touch the accelerator and away you go. Of course, old Bessie didn't do that. Now we're real close to the airport, even though we do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen. We do invite you to come visit us or send an inspector, whatever you prefer. So please come on out and visit. We'd love to meet you. If you see Tom or I at a car show, come on out, meet us. We'd love to meet you. Now here's our shop right here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. And stick with us because we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this car up on the rack so you can see just how nice the bottom is. Then we're gonna pop the hood and check out that numbers matching 396 under the hood. All right, we're underneath this 67 Chevelle now, and she is pretty under here too. You can see the frame's nice and straight. Gas tank's definitely new. Trunk floor looks good. Bushings look like they're in halfway decent shape. Drop downs look good. The exhaust is definitely new. Brake lines are definitely new. Guys will pull the brakes apart, make sure they're in good working order. Bushings are definitely new. 307 gear in here. It is a 12 bolt. It is a Posi. Let's see, we got Flowmaster mufflers here. It does have the extra braces here that the SS's all had on them. Looks like the fuel line is new. Looks like the parking brake cable's new. Upper control arms also look like they've got new bushings on them. And look at these floorboards. You want to talk about clean? Somebody has spent time and cleaned these babies up, and they look original to the car. So they've been all cleaned up, painted up, looking beautiful. Frame also looks beautiful. Now, one of the things I look at on all the cars is I look at the low areas in the frame here to make sure they're in good order. You can look inside these holes here. There's a great big old hole there. And again, that's one of the areas that you want to check out on these cars. We got a new brake line, it looks like, running front to back. The transmission is a 69 model, so it is not the original transmission to the car. We do have the original linkage for the clutch here, so it is original style linkage. Does have the original style oil filter. We do have the original drum brakes up front, and again, the guys will pull those apart, make sure they're in good working order. Looks like it's got new bushings up front, new shocks up front. Looks like it's got new ball joints up front also. They were done at one time at least. Also, low area in the frame again, and again, big holes here. You can see inside there. You can see what's going on. Always check that out. New brake line going left to right. Always check out the steering gear, check out the bushings in the sway bar. Our guys will check out all of that for you. Let's see, core support looking good. Radiator looking good. Front frame horns, check those out. Everything here looks nice and straight. You can tell it hasn't never been in a serious front end accident. Front bumper definitely looks like it's in great shape. We got these red line tires. These babies are expensive. And they are, let's see if I can find the size on them anywhere. Up. 215, looks like 65 15s. And look how nice and clean that wheel well is. That wheel lip molding looks nice and clean. She is beautiful. I always try to get a finger in behind the front fender here. Again, that's a telltale sign. All I can feel is nice and smooth metal, and the back sides of them screws are sharp, so be careful when you get your fingers back in there. Always look at this pinch weld. Always feel the back side of the rocker. Back side of the rocker on this car is nice and smooth, nice and clean. The tire back here, red line again, and it's the same size, 215, 65, 15. Feel this edge too. All I feel is nice clean metal back there and nice sharp screws. Again, be careful. The edge of that metal is also sharp. That rocker molding's looking sweet. Bottom side of that quarter, look at that. They've brought the paint right down to the edge, looking good. And the paint on the frame is looking good. And you see the chrome on the back bumper also looking sweet. Well, let's get under the hood and check out that numbers matching 396. All right, under the hood here, we do have the numbers matching motor under here, 396, 3 1/4 horse. The numbers are right here on the pad. Everything does line up. The date code lines up. The casting number lines up. It's got the correct exhaust manifolds on it. It's got the correct intake on it. It does have a quadrajet carburetor on it. It is not the original quadrajet carburetor, but it is a correct quadrajet carburetor. It's got the correct clamps on it here, the correct hoses. It is a manual brake car, but it does have power steering. You can see the spark plug wires look correct. Fuel line looks correct. The radiator looks like it's a new unit, or at least a rebuilt unit. Fan shroud looks like it's brand new. Battery's nice and clean. It's a maintenance-free battery. Inner wheel houses look like they're nice and clean. They brought the paintwork right down on the inside of the engine compartment here, looking sweet. Firewall's nice and clean. You can see all the wiring's nice and clean in there. They even using GM hoses here on the heater hoses. Everything on this car is amazing, guys. Like I said earlier, this car brings back a lot of memories for me. It's probably bringing back a lot of memories for you if you're watching this video, so call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.